What is National Interest Exception, NIE, for U.S. travel? How to apply? Step-by-step guide by country. Home U.S. immigration visas. What is National Interest Exception, NIE, for U.S. travel? In this article, we will review the details about NIE, differences between NIE versus general exceptions, how to apply for the same for various countries. Background for NIE, 212F of INA for U.S. President. What are Presidential Proclamation exceptions? All of these criteria for whom the proclamation does not apply to is defined by the U.S. Department of State are called National Interest Exceptions, popularly referred to as NIE in short. How to apply for National Interest Exception? Process to apply for National Interest Exceptions NIE-India. You can read U.S. bans travelers from India for the NIE list that is relevant for India or check the U.S. Department of State website. If you already have a U.S. visa that is valid in your passport, all you need is NIE approval from the U.S. consulate that issued your visa to travel to U.S. U.S. Consulate Chennai NIE at state.gov. Place of birth, your place of birth as it appears on passport. Yes or no, if you have applied for an NIE before, you need to indicate here is yes. Option 1, raise an emergency appointment request on Austravel.doc's website with NIE supporting documentation like letter from employer, other info is needed. Below is the email from the U.S. Embassy in Delhi indicating the 12 months validity of NIE for travel. Apply for National Interest Exceptions NIE-UK. As per the latest presidential proclamation signed by Biden in January, UK residents cannot travel to the US even if they have a valid visa or fall under ESTA unless they fall under general exceptions or NIE. Step 1. Check eligibility, get documents. If you are eligible and have proof supporting the NIE, then you need to reach out to the UK Embassy using their website. National Interest Exception Germany Guide. If you are eligible and have proof supporting the NIE request, then you need to contact the nearest U.S. Embassy or consulate in Germany at least a couple of weeks before your travel date. Process for National Interest Exception NIE for Schengen countries.